Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this Dewalt Tough Series 25-foot tape measure. Oh my good golly, Miss Molly. This is sweet. So this is what I would consider a premium tape measure. As somebody that's used tape measures for, couldn't tell you how long. This is the cream of the crop, as they might say, and here is why. So first and foremost, this thing is super, super rugged. It has sort of this hard rubber plastic grip design. It's got some texture to it, so when it's in your hand, you know, it's not going anywhere. So that's cool. That's cool. You know, it is of a thicker design style. This is not your skinny type of measuring. You have measuring on both sides. Very, very convenient. You can see here, everything is labeled nice and neat. It has a detachable magnetic that's right here. This is a magnet. You can see it kind of, it clips on, but it does not, I mean, like if I want to take it off, I can take it off. A great example of why this magnet is very user-friendly, especially when you're by yourself. Check this out. So if I want to stick this to something, I can get my measurement just like that. Notice we're at 10 feet and it's holding tight. I mean, that is an unexpected benefit of something that I would have never even thought to do, but very, very cool. That's where the magnet comes into play. You have all your, you know, your typical markings as far as you know, the inches and quarter inches and all that stuff in there. That's cool. It has a locking mechanism, so if you need to lock it in a certain position, you can do that there as well. It does allow you to hold on to a belt. And the best part, well, two additional benefits is this thing will extend quite far without collapsing. So that's at 7 feet. That's 8 feet. Let's see how far it goes. 9 feet, still hasn't collapsed. 10 feet. 11 feet, still going. 12 feet, and still, I don't know if, I mean, 13 feet? All right, 13 feet, right at 13 feet. And it's held up. It hasn't kind of collapsed or, you know, warped or anything like that. So 13 feet, very, very impressive when the, as far as the old extension is concerned, if you're by yourself, you know, so if you just want to throw it out there, you are good to go. Very strong, retractable spring on it, and just really good quality altogether. So hopefully this helps answer any questions you might have about the old Dewalt 25-foot Tough Series. And we'll talk to you soon.